Today my students and I are going to show you some variations of stomp plus jabs. Let's go! Ooh. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you like. Yes, Spitfire. See you soon.